Hello viewers, in this video we are going to have a very brief discussion on a relational model. In relational model, data is organized in two-dimensional tables and the relationship between the tables are maintained by storing a common field in the tables. Here in this relational model, the term tables are also known as relations. Whereas each table consists of a collection of rows and columns where each row represents records and column represents attributes of an entity. Here in this relation, employee is the table name, employee ID, employee name, salary and age are its attributes. And all these three rows are the records of this table, and these records are also called as tuples of the table. Now let's see its advantages. This model is simple, scalable, maintains security and supports data independency and structural independency feature in database management system. And these are the notable advantages of this relational model. This model is said to be simple as its design is more simple as compared to the other database models. And this model is said to be scalable as any number of rows and columns can be added whenever required. And this model also supports data independency and structural independency feature of the database management system. And in this model, it is easier to maintain the security of the data stored in the database as compared to other data models. Now, let's see its disadvantages. Hardware overheads and possibility for bad database design are the disadvantages of this model. That is, as this model is used to achieve abstraction, it requires more powerful hardware computers and data storage devices for hiding the complexities and making things easier for the user. Then, as this model is very easy to design and use, it may sometimes lead to a poor database design when it is developed by naive users. However, this model has these disadvantages. These limitations are very minor as compared to its advantages. That's why this model is most widely used since from its inception. Viewers, in this video we have learnt about the basic information on relational model. If you find this video is useful to you, kindly subscribe this channel. Thanks for watching.